How to fix Shadps4 not opening. So sometimes guys, the emulator gets bugged out and refuses to start, but luckily we have a certain settings that we can remove from our drive that will allow us to kind of launch the fresh version of the emulator with new settings, and then everything should be working, because I myself also faced this issue and fixed it pretty easily. So how do you fix this? Let me navigate and show you where these files are. We're just gonna have to delete one folder, and then I will show you that everything works. Alright, so you just open up your PC, then you go to users, your username, you go to app data, and then you go to roaming. And in here you will have a folder that is Shadps4. So this folder, and as you can see, we have the different config files and other stuff. Just guys, be sure to save your save data, because if you delete it, then you're effed. So make sure to copy this save data folder somewhere else. As you can see, I have my Bloodborne save in here, and then we can just fully delete this folder. You just go ahead on Shadps4, right click, and then delete. Once again, don't forget to move your save data somewhere else to not lose the saves. And after that guys, you just close down that folder, and then you just launch your emulator. Once again, just close it and launch it. It should now work, and now you will have a freshly generated folder, the same folder, Shadps4, with new in-game files created. And this should fix you. So just don't forget to back up your save games and delete the folder whenever you have some kind of issues with the emulator. That's pretty much it. Enjoy guys, hopefully you enjoy Bloodborne and other games on this emulator. If this video helped you out, press like and subscribe. See you soon.